Hey, don't click away yet. You stumble across my video for a reason, right? Look, aren't you tired of getting up early in the morning just to make somebody else get rich? Aren't you tired of the traffic? Aren't you tired of not getting enough sleep? Well, here's the reason why you should own your own business. Without further ado, guys, like, comment, subscribe, and join the Inspire team where we get better, do better, and we be better. Let's get it, let's go. I have 5 reasons why you should own your own business. Number 1, you have no boss. You have nobody telling you what to do. You have nobody to tell you when to go eat your food. You have nobody always on your case. And that's the life. Don't you hate it when you're doing your work and all of a sudden your supervisor or your boss come and just stand there behind you like this, like micromanaging you. I had to happen to me before. That was so annoying. As like, what do you want? I wanted to say it in my head, but I wanted to say it, but in my head it's like, fuck, I'm just do my work, mind my own business. You are worth it to become your own boss. You are very valuable. I want you to know that, so pick out something that you really like and try to make money out of it. Start a business out of it. If you like to write a book. If you like to draw, create a poster, do something that's gonna benefit you in your life. Look what happened during this pandemic. Everybody lost his job and everybody's struggling right now. You wanna know the best part of not having a boss and going to work early in the morning is that you don't have to report to anybody but yourself, And you can sleep from Monday to Friday. It's up to you to make the money, pretty much. That's life right there, y'all. So you telling me you wanna work for somebody for the rest of your life and you're not gonna build something for yourself? I think it's fine if you're gonna work for somebody, but take that money and invest in yourself and be your own boss, so that way you have enough freedom, enough time to do things in life. Number 2, y'all, income. You control the amount of money you make. Let's say today you're gonna make a couple racks, couple hundreds. It's on you, But having a normal job is a steady income. You get paid bi-weekly or a week, and you already know how much you're gonna make. Well, if you're your own boss, you control your income. The more you hustle, the more money you make. You're not tied down to making. Oh snap! Something happened. That just scared me for a second. But you're not tied down from the amount of income that you could possibly make. Number 2 is pretty much income action. Okay, you have control over the amount of money you can make within a day. You don't got to be tied down to that $20 an hour or this and that. So you telling me you're worth $20 an hour? No, you're worth $1 million an hour, $100,000 an hour, a billion, gazillion, trillion dollar an hour. Okay, let that resonate and manifest it, because you are somebody special, because you are unique. No one look like you, no one act like you, and that's the reason why you are special. Number 3, you want to know why you should own your own business? Because you can work from anywhere you want. You can work from home, you can work at the park, you can work at the beach, spending time with your family, doing whatever that you love to do. I'm just saying, you don't have to be in a company, in a cubicle, just sitting there waiting until lunch, and then when you're at lunch, you're just like, man, there's no time for me to go back in. Then you gotta go work again, and you're like, all right, I guess I'm out. Then you gotta go home and deal with the traffic. I used to always hate that, guys. Like, I used to work as an architect, and getting up every morning, traffic. Leaving work to come back home, traffic. Oh, I hate traffic with a freaking passion. I live in LA, and that traffic is just bad, but having your own business, you don't gotta deal with none of that, You could sleep from Monday to Sunday if you want. You can sleep, you can hibernate like the bear, That's how dope it is when you're on your own business, You have more control in life. So we got that covered. Number 3, you can work from anywhere. Number 4, you have more free time. Like, if you have a family, you get to spend time with your kids, your wife. You go on an adventure, go on trips with the family, your friends, all your loved ones. Spend time with your parents, do some philanthropy things. You got so many leads to do other things when you're your own boss. When you have your own business, you can do a bunch of things, you know. You only have one life to live, so you telling me you're gonna spend the rest of your life working for somebody where you could just be your own boss, grind out for like 5 to 10 years, you know, get as much money as you can, a few $1 million, put it somewhere safe, you know, invest into something that's gonna give you that comfortable lifestyle, you know, and then just go on vacation every single month, you know. Wouldn't that be great? So just grind hard and then take what you can and just live your life. Just remember, y'all, we only have one life to live, so why not live the best of our life, doing what we love to do, doing what we want to do, instead of trying to be tied down to a corporate company or try to be tied down to a 9 to 5 every single day. You know, just be your own boss, try to own a business, figure it out, and I guarantee you guys, you're gonna love it. You know, it's gonna make you better, and as you're gonna see a lot of new changes in your life when you have your own business. You know, you have more free time to do things. You have more leads. You know, you can do whatever you want. Okay? Don't you want that lifestyle? Financial freedom. No, don't get me wrong. It's going to take some work for you to get to that level. But just remember, that kind of work is for yourself. It's not for somebody else. You're doing it for you. That's a good thing, right? Last but not least, number 5. Okay? You can diversify your income. You can make money from this business, that business, the other business, you know, it'd be like a domino effect. So once you get money from the business that you have now, you know, you take that money, invest something else, and boom, 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 domino effect, bam, more money. You wake up and the money slap you in your face, say, spend me, spend me. Owning your own business will lead you to meeting a bunch of customers that you could have a good relationship with, and they always gonna keep coming back to you because the way you are as a person, you know, you're unique. You're cool, and they love your business. That's gonna make you feel good, man. When you create something and then people start to appreciate it as much as you appreciate it, that's the best feeling in the world, man. I want you to have that feeling. I want you to manifest it. I want you to close your eyes. I want you to feel it. So whatever that you want to do is gonna come to existence because you're gonna live for it, you're gonna breathe for it, and you're gonna be all about it. All right, guys. Hopefully this video helped you guys out and inspire you guys to try to own your own business and do whatever that you love and create something special for yourself and for your future. And if you haven't read yet, smash the like button, subscribe, and join the family where we get better, do better, and be better. Let's get it. Let's go. One love, y'all. Peace.